Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I am sharing one of my easy instructional baking hacks that I think is going to be instrumental for you to have in your back pocket whenever you run out of this important ingredient, whenever you're baking. So, what do you do when you run out of brown sugar? So, 2 ingredients, that's all you need. I've got some granulated sugar here, and I've got some molasses. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna start to add this molasses right into our granulated sugar. I'm gonna get it out there someday. Get it on out. Get it on out. Get it on out. Get on out. And then now I'm just gonna whisk everything together. You can also throw this in a food processor. You can also throw this in a blender if you wanna make this process go super fast. But honestly, it only takes a few minutes just to do this with a little whisking and some arm strength. Get your exercise in. And I'm using unsulfured molasses here. You know, you can find that at your local grocery store. You probably got some on hand anyway. So you can mix this by hand, or you can pull out a food processor or blender. So that's all you need for light brown sugar. If you want to make dark brown sugar, you're gonna need to add a little bit more molasses. And there you guys go. I mean, an easy, quick substitution. If you run out of brown sugar, grab these 2 ingredients and you have a great substitute. Happy baking, y'all. And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out more baking hacks.